Okay, so this is a quick review of this Bluetooth speaker that came. It's got a very deep sound and it's got a very loud sound, so definitely a thumbs up for that. It did come with this USB-C cable for charging. It did not come with a power brick, but that's fine. We have plenty in our house. So here I've got it hooked up and paired to this tablet here. It's got a rubberized on-off button. Very good feedback on the button here. It's got separate switches, separate buttons here for increasing volume, decreasing volume. The light pattern, you can customize the light pattern if you want. And so here I'll play some music from this Bluetooth, from this tablet through the Bluetooth speaker. Oops, let's turn that back on. I'm not sure how that comes out, but it's definitely very loud. It's got a very good bass quality to it, so I like that a lot. And the fact this is pretty light, so you can pretty much bring this anywhere. Let's turn a little bit softer here. You can turn it softer directly on the... So it's adjusting the volume here directly from the buttons here. This covering on it is sort of a fabric mesh. I'm not sure if it's waterproof. I'm not sure if it said if it's waterproof or not. Probably wouldn't drop it in water or anything. And then it has the charging port here, which is concealed in this rubber flap here, so that's very good. So I'd give this definitely a 5-star. Everything is well made. Definitely feels solid. It's not too heavy. You could probably put this in a backpack even and carry it around. So definitely a very good quality Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.
El perico es blanco, sí, el pussy rosita, no te confundas, no, mejor ahorita, ey. Maybe they did that flirty thing going on.
I'm in summer road is right. Wind stole your hairpin, sent it dancing down the drive. I caught it in my palm. moment, thought, Lord, this might be my lucky day alive. Ooh, oh, it's a laundry line lullaby, swaying in the sun. Your faded blue jeans dancing like the war's been won. You